a great choice today with the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks, passenger airbag, side head airbag, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.